So we're here today with a Liberty Trike, and Brandon is going to show us how to remove the throttle and replace the throttle. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to loosen the throttle a little bit. There's a set screw right underneath. Loosen the throttle a little bit, you can move it away, and then you can get some Windex, and you spray some Windex right inside here, and you twist the throttle around, the grip around, you'll be able to pull it right off. And you're gonna cut your zip ties away. You should be able to remove your throttle like that. Pull off your wire wrap to expose the connection ends. Once you get all the wrap off, you'll be able to see, if you trace the cable down, which is which. And we'll just unplug the throttle. Okay. Then you'll just plug your new one back in. Put it on the bar, run your cable down, make sure your connections match when you plug them in. Then you can, if you have them, you can put new zip ties on your cables here and here, bring it all up, throttle's up there. Then you take your existing grip, slide it on, and that's that.